Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to extend C drive size in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7 without formatting. Okay, for this first go to this PC. So you can see my C drive size 97.1 GB and this is the D drive size 125 GB. Okay, to extend the size, first right click on this PC and click on manage. Now here go to disk management and you can see C and D drive. Now right click on D drive and click on shrink volume. Now you can see, now here enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So here I want select your size, select the size you want to shrink. For example, I select 2 GB. So you can see it is 2 GB size. Now click on shrink. So you can see 1.95 GB unallocated space. Okay, now after it, close it and open the internet browser and here type MiniTool Partition Wizard and click on it. So you can see download Partition Wizard. Here select free edition, click on download and now open the setup. Click on yes, select language and here click on continue installing free edition and click on next. And we need only MiniTool Partition Wizard, so untick this both and click on next and again click on next, click on yes. As you can see, currently it is downloading the setup file. Now it is installing MiniTool Partition Wizard on your computer. And you can see completing the MiniTool Partition Wizard setup wizard. So you can see launch MiniTool Partition Wizard, click on finish. So you can see MiniTool Partition Wizard successfully launched. Now here right click on C drive and here you can see extend. Click on extend and here select the drive. You can see 1.95 GB unallocated space, select and here you can set the size. You can see how much free space do you want to take. Here you can see select the space and click on OK and now here click on apply. So you can see apply pending changes, click on yes. So you can see now it is a resize partition. Guys, it might take some time, so kindly wait. Okay, so you can see applied all pending changes successfully. Now click on OK and now if you close it, click on yes and go to this PC. So here you can see 99.1 GB and you can see the local disk D 123 GB. So guys, this is the method to extend C drive size in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7 without formatting. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.